Hey, ain't you Coyote boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all don't know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17.
Dang. It's always something with these rims and this brake dust, man. Look at that. It stayed there. Man, I be using all type of products like that green stuff, man, Armor All. Man, Mothers. And it's always brake dust left. Man, I wish I had a product that can keep that stuff off my rims, at least for a longer period of time. You know what? I might know something. Oh, what the? Y'all see that? Super clean. Yes, sir. Super clean all-wheel cleaner. Hey, this stuff right here, I keep your wheels clean longer and then get rid of that annoying brake dust that you see on your car, especially right after you wash the car. Don't believe me? Check it out. All you gotta do, see that? You got the annoying brake dust. It's super clean. That's all you do. Give it a little spray on the outside and internals by the ports. Yes, sir. Super clean is real acidic on the pH scale, so it does better than most of the leading brands like we were talking about, like Armor All, McGuire's, Mothers, Turtle Wax, Eagle One, all those type of products that you use and it doesn't seem like your wheels stay clean longer. Try using Super Clean. If you want to buy Super Clean, you can get Super Clean at all leading brand stores in your area, like AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Walmart, any type of parts store that sells cleaner and parts. You can find Super Clean in there. So don't worry about trying to find it online unless you want to buy it online. But hey, it's sitting at a store next to you. Just try it. And so we have the wheels soaked, and you want to let the wheels sit for about 30 seconds and then come back and hit it with some water. All right, now that you let the cleaner sit for about 30 seconds to a minute, all you do, take your water hose, it out just like that. Look at that. You can tell immediately that it's working. All right, you guys, so we got the wheels nice and clean, so take a look at it. Come over here to it, touch it. Look at that, no brake dust. Yeah. You didn't know, Super Clean is an all-wheel cleaner. Check it out. It is an all-wheel cleaner, so it's safe on chrome rims, alloy rims, painted rims, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you have, it's good. And then as you can see, it's a heavy-duty degreaser, so all the grease and grime and brake dust that you normally have with your car, this right here, will take care of all your problems. So make sure you guys go pick up some Super Clean. And then if you do and you like it, make sure you tag me on IG and Facebook, KoyotePack. Hey man, shout out to Super Clean. Let's go. Hey, what a day. It's every day, all day. Hey, it's more than the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.